Hi and welcome to Webstarts Made Easy, and thank you for taking the time for watching this free trial video. Here you get the opportunity to actually see what you get as a Webstarts Made Easy member. You'll be able now to download free CSS buttons, and with this video we will show you how to open those buttons, create a link, and then upload them into your Webstarts website and make them active. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is that we need to download this actual code. So if we click download, as you can see, it's now been downloaded at the bottom of my browser. Now I use Google Chrome, so if you use Firefox or Internet Explorer or any other browser, you can still download this code. So I need now to get this actual zip file on my desktop. Now what a zip file is simply a compressed file that compresses a lot of information into a smaller size, which makes it a lot easier to download on your computer. So to open it, I double click it. Now there is the master folder for the CSS buttons. I need to now drag that on my desktop so I can access them, like so. Close that, and if I open that, here's the main folder. So if I double click that, as you can see, there are 4 different size folders of buttons you can select from. Now for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to upload a rectangle button. Now the other great thing with this free trial, we give you a lot of different color buttons that you can select from, so you can choose which color will look best on your website. But for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upload the rectangle black button. Now these are all HTML codes, and in Webstarts Made Easy we explain what that means and how it works. But to open this actual HTML code, I need to go right click, open with Notepad. Now as you can see, there's a lot of information there, but the great thing is you don't need to worry about that because it's all done for you. There are only 2 things that you need to do to make this code active in your Webstarts website. The first thing we need to do is obviously change the name, because we don't want the button to say rectangle. So where the word rectangle is, you simply highlight it, and we'll just say click here now. So that's the first change. And the second change is where this hashtag is, we need to put in there an active URL address. Now if I go back to my website, as you can see up the top here what I'm highlighting, this is the URL address to this web page. Every web page has it, and you may know when you've been looking for a website or you got a website address and you type it in at the top and press enter, that's what we call a URL address. So if I copy that, then paste it in there, this button has now become an active button. So if I save, now the best way to copy this is simply go right click, select all, that way you're selecting all the code in one hit. Then you copy it again, go over to your Webstarts website, insert HTML code, right click again, paste, click OK, and there you have it. Just bring in the parameters to make it look a little bit neater. Now the great thing about Webstarts is I can now place this button anywhere I want, but I shall leave it here just for this demonstration purpose. Click Save, View Code, and there it is. As you can see, the name is now changed to Click Here Now, and if I click this button, it now takes me to the URL address that I've added in that particular button. And that's it. And that's all you need to do with all the other CSS buttons that are in that folder. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This just gives you a bit of a taste of what you will receive as a Webstarts member. And as we say in all our videos, repetition is the mother of skill. So learn more, watch more, and have fun building your dream website.